Where'd it go? I got it this time. I swear I do. Look at the manatee. Look at him. If I had food, I could feed him. Look at that. He's right by our boat. Oh my God, he's going to tip the boat. Look at him. Oh my God, that is so cool. And this time it's working. Look at it, it's a baby one. It's like, help me, help me. Oh, it doesn't have any eyes, Doug.
It's got eyes.
No, it didn't have a left eye. I don't see any eyeballs.
They're beady.
Hi, buddies. You're much more interesting than fishing. Huh? Huh? Hi. He's saying hi to me, Doug. Hi. Don't go by that motor. Even though it's not on. That is so cool.